Hello. Again, this is the Trickster and Scrabdoodlelog making the how-to video on the Revealer. As we would like to call it, the Revealer of the Revealer. Okay.
Yeah, it's so funny. Okay, sorry. So this is... Okay, shut up. Just stop. Okay. You just totally killed the audience. Okay.
I'm sorry, audience.
Okay. So this
I'm
is
sorry, parents of the audience.
Okay, make sure no one's standing behind you. Alright.
What the crap?
Okay, so this is how...
Somebody behind me? Oh, okay.
Shut up.
Okay.
Okay, so this is how we did that trick that we were just showing you.
It's called
previously.
the Revealer, and this is called the Revealer of the Revealer.
Because it reveals how to do it.
Okay. So, again, this is not a gimmick deck. I mean...
And it's a made-up trick, so...
This is a made-up trick that we made up just, like...
A couple hours ago.
And we posted the video of the actual trick 2 minutes before we're making this video.
Yeah. So
Okay.
it's not like we have anything better to do.
Yeah, I
hang out
know.
with girls
We have
or
no
go
lives.
to movies.
We're nerds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What else is there to do at 11:20?
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, so this is not a gimmick deck. It's a completely normal deck. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it.
Yeah. Yeah, don't make fun of the deck, okay?
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
We're sorry for stalling. Okay.
Alright, so let's say, at the beginning of the trick, you pick a card. So I picked...
The 5 of diamonds.
So we put the 5 of diamonds on the bottom.
We put the 5 of diamonds on the bottom. But wait, before the trick, you must take a length of Scotch tape.
Or duct tape if you're...
not duct tape. Not duct tape. Duct tape will not work. You must.
Yeah, unless
it must
you want
be,
everyone to see it.
Yeah, it must be clear tape like this. I'm not sure if you can see that.
Yeah, you can see it.
Okay, it preferably blurry tape.
Yeah, so no one will be able to see it.
Yeah, so no one will be able to see it. So that one lost its stickiness, so I'm just going to take a new... Ow! Ow!
Stop hurting yourself. Just stop.
Ow!
Okay, just put it on your
tape.
finger.
Ow! Stop.
Oh, sorry. I didn't think I took
He's
it.
like holding my wrist. Jeez.
Okay.
Okay, what are you standing on your tippies for?
Tippies.
Okay, yeah, sorry guys. We're having a little fun here also.
Spasm.
Okay, so you make a tape loop by folding it back and making... Why are you pointing to the ground?
Okay, just go, okay?
Okay, why don't you just aim at the tape?
Because it's like at your neck.
So?
Okay, just go.
Okay, so you make a loop by folding the tape backward. I'm pretty sure your parents will know how to do this, or any teacher. It's just making a loop of tape so that every side is sticky.
It's kind of hard to do at the beginning, but make sure it's on your pinky finger.
Make sure it's at your pinky finger because everything else will be seen.
And it's really hard to see.
And I don't think you can see it
you
now.
can hide it easier.
Can you see it?
Yeah, but it's very hard to see it.
Tell me now if you can see it.
No. It's
See, you can barely see it.
Can't see it.
If you zoom in, you can see it. But normal eyes, you can't really see it. So there's my tape right there.
Yes.
We're gonna put a little mark on there just to kind of make it visible to you.
Hopefully this will show. Oh, you can kind of see it if you exert your eyes so much that you won't be able to play video games.
Okay, you see the mark? It's
yes, yeah, but it's kind of, yeah, we can see it. It's
okay,
just
it's
like
okay.
a little random
So you
sketch.
take the deck. Now, you chose the 5 of diamonds. You put that on the bottom of the deck, and you pretend shuffle.
You don't move the bottom card.
Yeah, show them this. You don't move the bottom card, you just pull from here. You pull from the side in the middle. You pull from the middle, and then shuffle like this.
So you never move the bottom
never touch the bottom card. Then, when we're walking to the wall, I'm going to show you as we're walking to the wall, you slide the bottom card from under.
And put it on top. It's almost unnoticeable when you're following someone.
Yeah, it's almost unnoticeable because they can't see anything unless they're right next to you, so avoid that.
Okay.
Then you wipe the tape from your pinky onto the card.
Yeah.
Can they see the tape?
Yes, it's kind of a little blob, especially now it's really easy to see.
Okay.
So you got it like this.
Then you come to your wall.
The wall.
They're right there. Okay. You come to this wall.
Alright.
Okay.
So what do you have against that wall, huh? Just because it's browner than that one? Okay, you know what? Let's just go. Okay.
So then after this, I'm pretty sure you know what to do. Just throw it on the wall and the tape will make that one card stick.
Okay.
There's your card.
Hey, you got it.
And then we couldn't really figure out a way to take it off without revealing the tape.
Yeah, that's true.
So we decided to put it on the back, so you don't need to take it off until they
Yeah, originally we had it so that the front of the card was into the wall, and then we dramatically pulled it up.
And we'll go like this.
And then it was really dramatic because it took like 5 seconds to scrape the tape off of the front and struggling and wasting our lives.
But, thank you for watching, and again, watch my movie Psychic Mental Trick on YouTube. It's DragonSlayer1541's channel.
It's really amazing. I don't think I would have been able to do it. There's no strings or nothing involved.
I haven't even told Scrabdoodlelog how to do it.
Yeah, I know, and I watched it myself, and it's
amazing.
Yeah,
but
really
thank you. Have a nice day.
All right, thanks for watching.